Cesaria, my lady Hannah, pass to begin, Golden Square, moving up on the outside, Sun and Wind, then followed over by Fabiola, alongside Chanson Dior, Pegasus, Kiss Me, Perfect Pass, Head Honcho, My Sweet Swanee, MB, My Lover, is the early trailer, going along for the first turn. We have Sun and Wind, then Lady Hannah is on the outside, second. 2.5 lengths in third, Pegasus, Golden Square, alongside comes Perfect Pass, Fabiola, then moving up on the outside, Johnson Diora, Head Honcho, Kiss Me, My Sweet Swanee, and Be My Lover still trails the field. Back to the leaders, Sun and Wind by about 2.5 lengths. And in second still is My Lady Hannah, Pegasus, Golden Square now moving up by the Porta. Together on the outside is Perfect Pass, Fabiola, Chanson Dior, Be My Lover, Head Honcho, Kiss Me, and My Sweet Swanee, Sun and Wind by only 2 lengths. Then moving up on the outside now is Perfect Pass, Golden Square, Chanson Dior, Fabiola as they come down at the last 150. It's not anybody's race. Moving up now on the outside is Perfect Pass to take the lead. Perfect Pass by about 2 lengths. Moving up by the now, Chanson Dior, Sun and Wind, Be My Lover, entering the finish line. It's Perfect Pass. Second, Chanson Dior, Be My Lover, close, Fabiola, Sun and Wind, then comes Pegasus.